In today's video, this is my finale for the deck of panning for 2023. I started very late in the year to do deck of panning. I'm so glad that I started it. It was so much fun, and I have already heard that she is going to continue this project into 2024, which is super exciting, so I will be doing deck of panning in 2024 as well. This panning project was created by Emily of Emily and Max. I will have her channel linked down below, along with a link to the playlist in case you're new to deck of panning and want to check out some of those videos. The preface of the challenge for deck of panning is like a game. There's a game board. She has different cards. There's a deck of cards. You shuffle the deck, you actually pull cards and match those up with all of the different prompts. On the 10th or the 11th of the month, she shuffles the board so that you can pull new cards if you have rolled anything out as a rolling type project. Very interesting. I really enjoyed doing this, and I would like to thank Andy from Andy Does Stuff for introducing me to all of this incredible world of panning, because it is just amazing. So this is the finale. In January I will do an intro for 2024. I didn't do so hot, y'all, my last month. I did not do so hot. But in my defense, I had a lot going on. And I'm not going to lie, there were a lot of days that I did not even put on any makeup. So it's hard to hit goals when you're not actually using your makeup. That should not happen again. There was a little health thing. There'll be a whole video that I'll post about it. You can look for that video on my channel. Blah, blah, blah. Let's get on into the update. So I had five products that I needed to use for the month of December, and one product that I pulled on my very first one that I left in there because it was, the prompt was to pull a product that represented another panning project, and so I pulled a Pan That Face palette, and so I just left it in here so that I continue to use it, and I have really put a dent in that. I was hoping that I might hit pan, but I did not. I even used it today in this look that I have on. I used this for a total of, my goal was to use it 50 times. My usage is 75 times I used it since I actually pulled it, and I absolutely love it. Love it. Even the highlighter, I use the highlighter quite a bit too, even though the embossing is still there. You can see some disturbance right there in that area where part of the word high is almost gone. The next product is this AVH lipstick, which was in it for the long haul, and I set a usage goal of 50 for this. I used it a total of 25 times. You know, I mean, it's a very pretty lipstick. I do like it, but I don't know. I didn't wear a whole lot of lipstick. Why? I'm not sure, but that's one of the things about these panning challenges, is it really does make you be aware of how you're using your makeup. And I love lipstick. I mean, look at what I got on. It's amazing. So there's that. The next product is this In Beauty project. It is a face glaze, and I had set a usage goal of 20 uses, and I only used it 8 times. And it is a nice product. So I don't know why I didn't use it more than that. I think in the beginning, how I had my project set up. It just wasn't in the forefront of my mind to use it. I'm hoping, I learned a lot, and I'm hoping to do better for 2024. I'm not feeling bad about it. Not feeling bad about it at all. The next product was the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This as well is a very nice product. Oh no, I know why I didn't use this. I was thinking it was this one, but this product, because it has, it's a skin barrier veil, and it has squalene, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid in it. Sometimes it did not play well with my other skincare products, and that's why I didn't use it as much. This one did, and I had this in here for 20 uses as well, and I only used it 7 times, and that's because it was not right in the forefront. Now I have it on this shelf right here, this one, directly behind me, I have all of these little baskets. And see, it took me a minute to figure out how to set them up to remind me, and so now when I'm doing my makeup, I can just turn around. Actually, what I had started doing at the end was laying my makeup out before I went to bed, because, you know, in the mornings when I get ready for work, I put my makeup on. So then it was actually on my desk, but I have everything organized better. This is a lovely product. I really do like it. The next product was the Danessa Myricks Vision Flush Ballet Slippers, and I had this in for a usage goal of 20 as well, and I used it 8 times. And I love this product. This is an amazing, amazing product. Again, just, you know, for all of the same reasons that I didn't use the other products, but this is beautiful. This one I rolled in at the end of November. I think all of the other products were in there before that. And I put this in for 5 uses because now I'm learning, you know, I'm just getting started, so I cannot be as efficient as panners who have been doing this for years. I need to start off gradually. You know, they're doing like 20, 30, 50. I can't do that. I need to start off with doing things like 5. And that is perfectly okay, because I'm learning and I'm actually using my makeup. And so I use this one time, but you know what? I use this one time because otherwise it would still be sitting over there in the damn drawer and I wouldn't be using it. So I'm very proud of that. Those are all the products that were in my deck of panning. I don't think that I did bad for the year, considering that I jumped in August. I jumped in August, so that was halfway through the year, but I was able to roll in and out several different things, so I'm quite excited about that. And y'all will see my intro video for Deck of Panning 2024 on the 20th of January. So thanks for coming along for the ride for my Deck of Panning updates. If you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Love you, bye. Christopher, here's your makeup tip from your mama. If your mascara is clumpy, just tell them you're channeling the spider look. Mama loves you, boo.